at the restaurant.
Good evening, sir. Welcome to the Corner Bistro.
Hello, I need a table.
Of course. A table for one?
Yes, for one, and I am in a hurry.
I understand, sir. Please follow me. We have a nice table for you right here.
I want to order now. I am very hungry.
Certainly, sir. Here is the menu.
No menu. I want food now. I want a big meal.
Okay, sir. What kind of meal would you like? We have steak, chicken, pasta.
I want a burger, a big burger, and fries, and a cola. Now.
An excellent choice, sir. One big burger, one order of fries, and one cola. I will place your order right away.
Good. Make it fast.
I will tell the kitchen you are in a hurry. Your cola will be here in 1 moment. Here is your cola, sir.
Where is my food? I am still hungry.
The chef is preparing your burger now, sir. It takes about 15 minutes to cook it perfectly.
15 minutes. That is too long. I want my food now.
I am very sorry for the wait, sir. The restaurant is very busy tonight, but the chef is working on your order.
This is not good. I need to eat.
Would you like some bread while you wait? It's complimentary.
Fine. Bring me bread. But I want my burger.
Yes, sir. I will be right back with the bread.
Waitress, where are you?
Yes, sir. Is everything okay?
It is not okay. Where is my burger? It has been a long time.
Let me check with the kitchen for you, sir. Please wait just one more moment. Good news, sir. Your meal is almost ready. The chef is putting the fries on the plate now. It will be here in 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Okay, but no longer.
Thank you for your patience, sir. Here is your meal, sir. One big burger and fries. Please be careful. The plate is very hot.
This is a good burger.
I am happy you like it, sir. Enjoy your meal. Was everything to your satisfaction, sir?
Yes, the food was good. I am not hungry now.
Wonderful. Would you like any dessert or coffee?
No, just the bill.
Of course, I will bring it to you right away.
Here you go.
Thank you, sir. Have a good evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.